Okay, guys, so this is CVS again, and I'm going to give you easy $3 a money maker beauty deal. And the best part, you will only pay out of pocket is less than $10. So first, you're going to grab two of these acts, 5.99 each. If you buy two, you will receive $4 extra bucks, and we also have $5 on two digital coupon. Another item you're going to grab two of this Colgate Max, 3.99 each. If you buy two, you will receive $4 extra box, and we have a $2 digital coupon. And the last item you're going to grab is one of these Neutrogena, the pimple patch for $10.49. If you spend 10, you will receive $5 extra box, and we have $3.50 digital coupon. Total for this transaction is $30.45, and we have a total of $20.50 digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $9.95, but then you will receive $4 extra bucks for Axe, $4 for Colgate, and $5 for Neutrogena. So making your transaction completely free and $3.05 a moneymaker. So here's my receipt for that transaction. As you can see, that's the two Colgate, the Axe, and the Neutrogena, and all my digital coupon, $5 for Axe, $3.50 Neutrogena, $2 for Colgate, and my 10 of 30 Beauty CRT. Then I received the $13 extra box, so making the transaction completely free and $3.05 moneymaker. And for my next transaction, I'm just going to do easy spend 30 deal. So we have promotion spend 30, get $10 extra bucks. So I grab two of the Tide for $13.49 and one of the Dawn for $5.99. We have $3 digital coupon for the Tide and $1.50 for the Dawn. For the other Tide, I'm just going to use coupon 24. If ever your store have the gain, it's 13.49, and we have a $3 digital coupon. My store don't have any gain. That's why I grab two Tide and just use the $3 on coupon 24. Total for this transaction is $32.97, and we have a total of $7.50 digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $25.47, but then you will receive $10 extra bucks, making all of this for 15.47. But because I'm using CarePass in this transaction, I'm paying $5, but I receive $10. So just right there, it's already $5 a moneymaker. So for me, this is only $10.47 for all. So here's my receipt for that transaction. I did two transactions so that it's easy to redeem the $3 coupon on coupon 24. So on the first transaction, I rolled $15 extra bucks and paid zero out of pocket. That's including my $10 care pass. And on the second transaction, I rolled $10 extra bucks and paid 99 cents. Then I received the $10 extra bucks for spending 30. So making my transaction for just $10.49 for these three items. But of course, without any care pass, you'll pay $15.47 for all. I also did the detergent for the Tide Pods, but be careful on those guys because I grabbed the Spring Mountain and it's not included on promotion. So yes, guys, that's the two easy deal I want to share at CVS. If ever you want to do the beauty event deal and also the detergent spend 30 get $10 extra box. That's everything I got for today, guys, for my CVS haul. Don't forget to like and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any great deals at CVS. Once again, thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.